Hey guys, today I have a video of the quadcopter that you guys are gonna buy, and this is the JXD388, and I got it in blue, the front of the box. It's pretty simple, cheap, it was 35 bucks I believe. And let me check it out right now. Okay, here is the instruction manual, and I believe it's in Japanese and English. And here are some spare parts and charger. Only two blades, the two white blades it only comes with, and the USB charger. Okay. It's a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. It feels pretty cheap, but it will do the work. And here's the quadcopter, and the battery comes inside it. Yep. I think I can connect it. That's weird. Right. So 3000 milliamps, 300 I mean. I just want to focus, but it's scared. It's a pretty small battery. I'm gonna buy a 380 megamps, or however it's called, battery. And I believe this is all from the quadcopter. I may do a testing video of how it runs and how it flies. I mean, but it's pretty small. It's my hand. It's in my hand. It has a little bit of weight to it, not much. And I believe that the controller is a 6, and the screw to get out a 6 AA battery. But this is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and shout out to my builder, Juni 100.